Hello, welcome to my channel. Today we're making yellow rice, but we're making it with turmeric instead of food coloring, which is usually what they use in restaurants and in the food packages that you get at the grocery store. Turmeric is a root similar to ginger. It is originally from India, and it grows in tropical countries. We're going to use water, rice, chopped onions, the turmeric, salt, and a little bit of olive oil, about 1 tablespoon of olive oil. We're gonna heat the oil. Once the oil is hot, takes about 5 minutes on medium, we're going to add the onions, and we're gonna saute the onions for about 5 minutes. That's gonna help that the rice doesn't stick to the bottom of the stainless steel pan. So just make sure that you saute the onions really well. Then we add the rice, the salt, and the turmeric, and we're gonna toast the rice for about 2 minutes. While the rice is toasting, warm up the water in the microwave. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions, please ask me in the comments and share the video. Half a teaspoon of turmeric is gonna cover the rice really well. If you want it a little more pale, just put a little bit less. We add the water. We're gonna cover when it's boiling. We're gonna lower the temperature to low, and we're gonna cook it for 13 minutes. Once it's cooked, we turn off the heat, leave it there, cover for 5 extra minutes, and that's going to be the result. Really nice rice, loose, and in this case I served it with salmon and some zucchini. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Chaito.